In and we have a flat tire. Not the best start.
So we couldn't find anything on the way to eat. We were gonna cross McDonald's at a time where it was going to still be shut. But then we hit a flat tire and we reached McDonald's exactly at 10 a.m. when it opened.
Thank you. Maybe we'll live now. And we have finally reached after 12 hours of drive, flat tire and all. But this place is beautiful. What's up, everyone? So yesterday we were really tired from the trip. We had dinner and then we just crashed. But there are some activities that this place has which we're gonna do today. But first, let's check out what's for breakfast. Pretty decent, pretty good too. Okay, we had a breakfast and we're gonna leave. But I think you guys should know something. Like a confession. So a lady invited both of us over here. I thought she was just someone who's part of the team. Later on I found out that she's actually the owner. And last night we found out that she hails from the family of Maharana Pratap Singh. She's like a queen who has invited us here. And this whole property is from his lineage only. So now I feel a bit stupid. I like her who's always stupid. Always stupid.
She's not a queen, by the way.
Then?
Queen? Think about it.
Princess.
Oh, I mean, probably a princess, but...
Princess,
you'll have to ask her
queen,
her
same
title.
difference.
No.
Huh?
If you don't meet him, he will not be my friend.
Okay, fine. Good. We're going on the original cars today. I think that's the new version. That's the old one. That's the really old one. Hey, what do you prefer? Then I'll ask him. No?
I'm okay.
हाँ?
सीट हिला नहीं है
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ आगे कोई और बैठ रहा है.
नहीं कोई नहीं
We shall take the front seat. That was by far the craziest off-roading I've ever done. So everybody keeps talking about off-roading, and it's all cool and all, but the roads are not good. But I don't think that path that we took was ever supposed to be a road, or a car was supposed to ever run on it. It was like it was like being driven right on the mountain, and that was fun. I mean, you should definitely, if you have ever thought about doing off-roading, come here, do it from Fort Dhariyal. And just for the record, this YouTube video, this is not sponsored. This is just my opinion. After all that, they're gonna bring you to this amazing place to have your lunch and chill. We'll go that side and check out the view. We're taking the long way because Miss Tantu could not take one step.
My legs are tiny. You can do a long jump. I can't.
It was one long step.
Where?
But it was a step. Alright, we took a break. We came back to the hotel, rested for about an hour, and now we're gonna go to the evening safari. I hope we can see a good sunset. Huh?
We suck at this.
At what?
Doing things back to back. Chalo.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
point. And man, this place is so... I didn't expect it to look this beautiful. Just check it out.
Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing